I met Pat a few years ago at an ESP conference, and I just instantly was drawn to her. Pat is an amazing ESP. She's a Jill of all trades. She's got her hand in so many things in her district to make things better for students and educators. She takes care of her fellow ESP. She takes care of her students. She works hard. She puts in the effort. She's just an amazing ESP, and I'm just so honored to know her, and I'm just so thankful that she's getting this much-deserved award. Something that I really admire about Pat is her knowledge of when to keep pushing for ESP, for their pay, for their quality of work, for their rights. But she also knows when to step back. And that's a really amazing quality to have in a position like Pat has. At the wellness conference last summer, there was an ESP who was not feeling well. She had some physical illness. Pat reached out to this ESP. She didn't just make sure that she was okay. She made sure she had transportation back to her hotel. She made sure that she had everything that she needed. She just truly made sure that she was cared for. And that is the type of person that Pat is.